Hey everybody, Kevin back with another video uploading finance smiling. So guys, today we are going to get our tires changed as I told you in the previous vlog. So we are going to be replacing the rear two tires today. I am planning to get Apollo, the same ones that I have in the front. I'm going to put the same tires in the back. So let's see if we can get the same tire. We'll try. So first we'll be going to the Apollo tire place shop. Let's see. Otherwise we'll go on for some other brand. Okay, see you guys there. So guys, we are at the Apollo tire shop, Apollo place here, and the car is here. We are removing the tires. The lug nuts are removed here. All done. So we will be putting the new tires in the front, and we will remove these bad tires and put new tires on these. And I'll put this tire probably as my spare wheel. Guys, so now the entire car is coming up. This is lifting the entire car. I'll show you the view from the back. So that's how it goes. The car is up. So now we are removing the front tire. So this tire is actually pretty much in a very good condition. Actually, you can see the thread pattern is really good. Remove the lug nuts. 4 lug nuts per tire. You can see it's a good tire actually. पर इसका कंडीशन अच्छा है ना? That is good. So this will go to the back. New one, this old front tire will go to the back, and the new ones that we are getting, brand new tires, will go to the front axle. Guys, this was my spare wheel. Look at the condition of the spare wheel. It's all gone. Literally, it's dead. So now this is the old front tire which will go to the back. It's got a stone and all in there. I can't remove it like that. Anyways. Guys, this spare wheel, guys. This is actually in an okay condition. So this will become my spare wheel, which will be put inside the back. The thread pattern is actually kind of okay. I mean, it's not showing wires and all, not so dangerous. So it's okay. This is gonna be good. Since you guys know I changed the spare, I've left it loose only because it's really hard if you tighten it too hard. That is the condition of that tire. You guys know that. I showed you that yesterday. That's the one. Kendu, what do you think of the tire? Remove your mask, Kendu. It's okay. You have to see your face.
It's fabulous.
Fabulous,
Beautiful.
no? Beautiful, no?
Amazing.
Yes, literally, oh god, I don't know how. This is called tire peeling off.
This
like
is
a banana.
The side effects of driving a car 1,000 kilometers a month.
Literally. But seriously, guys, we've been driving this car a lot since we bought it. We've been exploring Mumbai and all the streets of Mumbai. 1,000 kilometers a month in the city. Imagine that, guys. Not even going out stations. After changing a tire now we have to go explore the outstations. Outstations like Lavasa, Lonavala, Kandala and all those places. So we're pretty excited to visit all those places. Yeah. भाई टायर रोटेशन कैसा होता है? रोटेशन करना है तो
आगे पीछे करने का है ना।
हाँ, वो कैसे करेंगे? ये क्रॉस क्रॉस आएगा?
नहीं, ये इसका आगे का पीछे कर देते हैं, पीछे आगे कर देते हैं।
ऐसे ही स्ट्रेट स्ट्रेट आ जाएगा?
ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं और फॉरवर्ड भी कर सकते हैं।
हाँ 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 हाँ। आप नए वाला आगे डालने के बाद ना कितने किलोमीटर के बाद वो रोटेशन करना? 5000. So guys, after every 5000 kilometers, as he said, we have to rotate the tires. The front will go to the rear will go to the front and front will go to the right. There's a particular pattern through there. I'll put up a photo here somewhere on top of my hand. Yeah, there. Old tire is going out, guys. Old tire is completely going out. So they're removing all the rubber stuff. Old tire is out, guys. Rim is here. Guys, we are changing the valves also. So look, I'll show you. See, this is new valve. नया वाला दिखाए भैया? So this is the new ones, guys. कर दीजिए. Yeah, that's how it comes out. See, that's a wonderful tool actually. Brand new. Manufacturing date दिखाई हुआ है? किस तरफ आएगा ना? हाँ, 0421. Guys, this is how you check the manufacturing date. यहाँ पे नीचे लिखा होगा 3421. Two tire going in, guys. Woohoo! Next up, safe zone. Guys, it literally tore, guys. There's a hole in it now. This tire is pretty much useless. Oh shit. फटेगा. See, guys, look at the tires. Oh God. New tire getting its air in. Here the other tire is getting out of the rim. Here the new tire is getting air in. Air is going in. This is being removed. Guys, these are all the dead tires of all the different vehicles. There is also a new tire here. वो नया टायर है हमारा? Probably. So that is a new tire. I don't know why it's. Guys, now is the wheel balancing time. The new tires will be balanced with different weights. I'll show you the procedure now. Let's go. So this is the wheel balancing machine, guys. Wheel balancing equipment. This is the display. So guys, we remove the stickers. Stickers are pretty much useless now. We know what tire it is anyway. So now we are going to get it balanced. So these are the different weights, guys. Different weights. They will add it on the wheels. Kendo, what do you think will happen now? Let's see what happens. Here they're fitting new valves for my new rim, new tires, guys. And here it's going to be spinning now. Spinning, guys. So now it will know if there is any imbalances. It will tell us. See, 20 grams on the left side, 25 grams on the right side. So they'll find the point and they will put 25 grams on each side. According to that, see there, guys. So they'll put 20 grams there. कितना ग्राम का है भाई वो? 20 ग्राम, okay. 20 grams. So 20 grams on the left side of the tire, guys. They put it there. That's the 20 grams one. And next we will put 25 grams on the right side. Yeah, guys. Then on that spot we'll put 25 grams. Now it is spinning. It will say okay. That means your wheel is balanced. Guys, now we are seeing if there are any leakages in the tubeless seal. If there are any leakages, you will find bubbles, guys. This tire is going to go for balancing, guys. Same procedure. So I'm going to skip this part. So guys, since you guys saw that was the procedure for the wheel balancing, I'm not going to be showing the second tire again because the procedure is going to be the same. So yeah, that's how it is. So here they are going to be fixing the new tire. I will show you that now. Front tire is brand new, guys. So that's the front brand new tire. It's going to be there. Yep. Guys, the second new tire is going on. It is the lug nuts are being fixed and yep. Oh mother of God. This is a nail. Freaking nail. I thought this was a stone. Literally it's a nail. All for you.
This is Kevin TRQ, okay?
Look at these, guys. Look at these tires. It looks like huge trucks tires. So guys, the new tire has been installed properly. The new tires have been installed in the front, and the old tires that were actually in a very good condition were is in the back right now. So we're running on all 4 Apollo tires, all the same brand, same tread pattern. So it's all done. So now I'll go pay, and I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes. Okay. So guys, paid the bill. Tire change is done. Now we're heading back home. Till I see you guys in the next video. Have fun, take care, eat well, and love you all.